Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 8 of moral science, that is your safety is in your hands. In this chapter we will learn about some anti-kidnapping tips for you children and parents. As we know that in the recent series of kidnapping incidents happening, and it has been noticed that lack of proper training given to the children was the main cause. So moreover, the need of awareness among the parents was also required to control this threat. Now I'm going to share some precautions that you need to take while going outside from your house. First of all, you should never leak out personal information about your parents' property, bank balance, etc. to strangers. You often talk about your parents' wealth in your circle just to create an impression, which can have deadly consequences. And you should always be alert while going outside your house, even if you are going to a nearby market. Keep a check on the various activities taking place in and around the area. Same as child counselor Poonam Inamdar says that if somebody is following you or wanting to talk to you and trying to attempt some way to take you along, then you should alert everybody around. You should never use earphones while going to tuition classes or a friend's house. Because when you are listening using earphones, you become unaware of the activities taking place around you. And also, you should not take lonely routes. And you should never walk near or in front of four-wheelers, as this mode of transport is often used by the kidnappers for kidnapping. Also take care not to stand around parking areas. And most importantly, avoid using secure password for your mobile phones. As in case of an emergency, if somebody wants to call your parents using your mobile phones, it will be very difficult to do so. Now here are some precautions that parents should take to avoid kidnapping of their wards. As counselor and psychiatrist, Dr. Nirmala Rao tells that parents should be careful about the whereabouts of their kids, and they should also monitor who their friends are and should not give them an easy entry to their homes. Working parents should guide their wards not to open the door to strangers and pick and drop their child themselves and do not take favors even from neighbors. Children often go with their friends after their tuition or hobby classes. But in this case, parents should give a strict advisory to them that they must reach home at a fixed time, and in case they have to go somewhere else, then they should inform their parents well in advance. Parents should tell the school and tuition teachers to inform them in case the child is late to school, and they should adopt a friendly approach towards their children and encourage them to share their thoughts and fears with them rather than sharing with outsiders. Children should be told by their parents that even if somebody says to them that their parents have told him to come along with him, they should not trust him. So, students, you should always be alert everywhere, even if you are in the school campus, nearby market, tuition classes, etc. And you should always remember the address of your home and the immediate contact number of your parents. Thank you.